Right, the tribunal investigating bribery allegations against suspended Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi witnessed the reenactment of the alleged handing over of 200 million shillings in bribes at a petrol station in Nairobi. Tunoi's accuser, Geoffrey Kilagat, also told the tribunal today that he never sought the help of any CID officers in recovering 30 million shillings from Tunoi and Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero. Michelle Ngele has this story for us.
Like a scene out of a movie, the Sharad Rao-led tribunal arrived at the petrol fuel station in Westlands. Supreme Court Judge Philip Tunoi's accuser, Geoffrey Kilagat, stuck to his earlier written testimony, reenacting to the 8-member tribunal how a briefcase with $2 million was allegedly handed to Tunoi. These two vehicles, exact replicas of the ones Kilagat describes in his affidavit.
And then this window was drawn. Yeah. This window was drawn as was this one. And then the judge here waved to governor, who I identified by his traditional. I know these people because they are public figures. The judge told him,
Kilagat, who said sat in the passenger seat, explained that the driver, lawyer Katwa Kigan, received the money through the window and passed it to Justice Tunoi, who was seated in the back seat. And after a few tries, this 20-kilogram bag filled with files, supposedly the same size and weight as that which allegedly contained the $2 million, fit through the window.
They waved, and this one drew, back, reversed, and left, and we followed it.
The tribunal then continued to cross-examine Kilagat, questioning why he chose lawyer Issa Mansour to record the affidavit, which was later sent to lawyer Paul Mwite. Both Mwite and Mansour represent the Judicial Service Commission in a retirement age case against Tunoi.
Was there any other client waiting to see Mr. Issa? I did not see any other. Was there any other staff member in that office? I do not remember. You were just the two of you? Yeah. Because we did that one, it was us. The two of you. Mr. Issa says that you signed 2 copies of the affidavit. Could that be correct? It could be correct. It could be correct. So the third one could be correct. Yeah. Both of you appear to say that no fees were paid. Is that correct? Did you pay fees for this service? I did not.
Kilagat was also questioned on why his affidavit came to light a year after it was sworn in, and how the affidavit leaked to Chief Justice Willie Mutunga, who was the presiding judge in the election petition against Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero. Kilagat was also questioned as to why he had personal meetings with Judiciary Ombudsman Kennedy Bidali.
You go to Eldoret, right? Yeah. And you become just like you and I, mwananchi wa kawaida, for 1 year. Yeah. Again, are we together? Here comes somebody who says, I'm from the office of the Chief Justice. Let's put his name to that title, Bidadi. All of a sudden, that which you had rested completely is revived. Did Bidadi tell you that he received your affidavit from the Chief Justice? Did he tell you that? Yes or no? That's what he told me. He told you? Yeah. He got it from the Chief Justice? Yeah. Did you ask him where did the Chief Justice get your affidavit from? Did he? We did not discuss that. You didn't discuss that? I did not ask. Were it not for Mr. Bidadi's visit to Eldoret, you would not have revived this matter. You had already stayed, do you want us to calculate, over 1 year in Eldoret, mwananchi wa kawaida? I would say honestly that his visit culminated in a series of steps and activities that culminated to this.
In an interesting twist of events, Kilagat denied ever visiting the CID headquarters in Nairobi to ask for assistance from CID officers Peter Kipto and Stanley Cheruiyot. The two had previously recorded statements to the effect that Kilagat asked them for assistance to receive a 30 million shilling facilitation fee from Justice Tunoi.
The minute one is caught lying once, it is practically impossible to know when they stop lying. Would you want to react to that as we wind up?
I would.
Yes, go ahead.
Anybody got lying once, be it me, be it a judge, be it yourself, applies equally.
The tribunal continues its hearings on the 28th of April 2016. Michelle Ngele, KTN News.